Hello, welcome, happy new year. Hopefully you can hear me. It appears like it. The volume is going up and down on my stream software. Let me know if I need to bring the mic closer or if I'm too loud. Either way, welcome to Cyber Entering Monday. I am Tiberius. And we are going to be hacking some easy boxes today. Hopefully easy. Anyway, we shall see. Bring a cat. Nobody requested a cat, so the cat time is available. I think it's only 500, or is it 1,000? It's 1,000. If you have 1,000 channel points, you can redeem a cat. There are 3 to choose from. Technically there's 4, but my son-in-law doesn't want her to appear on stream, I guess. Or I think, as he phrased it, doesn't want me profiteering off of his cat. Alright, okay, we got redeem. We got a redemption for Arya, that's good. Arya's a sweetie. We will do that in a second. Let me see. Let's start Stream Raiders though, before I forget. Alright, hang on a minute. Let me bring my guy onto the battlefield. Alright, there we go. I have, by the way, set up Nightbot to randomly, basically, give out links to my social media. So hopefully that it does that every 15 minutes or so. Okay, I will go get Arya. And I'll be right back. Okay, cat transport has arrived. She does not enjoy this, but there she is, clinging on to me for dear life, looking for a way to escape. Here we go. Come here. Alright, now I've stopped tormenting her. She can leave. I'll close my door. And of course I am covered in cat fur. Lovely. Okay. Did I miss anything? Hack the box or TryHackMe today. Dealer's choice. Viewer's choice, I guess. We can do either. Always nice to start the stream with a good vibe and a cat. Yes. All right. Okay, so yeah, last time, if you didn't check out the stream on Friday, because it was New Year's Eve, I asked viewers what they wanted to do, and one of the options was an insane box on TryHackMe. I guess they wanted to watch some molding. It wasn't very insane though. Because the author of this box has asked not to release any walkthrough or write-ups, I'm not going to put this one on YouTube, but it is still available to view as a video on demand on Twitch. If you go to my my Twitch profile, you can still see it. I think for the next 3 weeks ish. Definitely recommend watching some of it. It was funny. Getting onto the box, not a problem. Then two Privesks, which we completely cheesed, because it turns out the box was broken. At least the box was unintentionally broken by me, which I have reported to the guy. I sent him a message on Discord because I tagged him on Discord and asked if I could speak to him about his box. He messaged me and I responded saying what I'd done, and he hasn't messaged me back, so I don't know if he's just annoyed or what. But either way, the final Privesk was the only... I wouldn't even call it insane. It was hard, but last bit of the box. Only because the box didn't actually boot up properly. So that was fun. But yeah. We got all the flags. He's crying in a corner. Yes, I agree, probably. So the other thing I wanted to talk about, I guess. Let me go to webcam only. So this is Cyber Mentoring Monday. So we are talking about people trying to get into the industry and, beginner hackers, people like that. And I think one of the questions that comes up a lot is imposter syndrome, which is a mental thing. And it affects all of us. But on the subject of mental stuff, I guess, and because people have... I've seen people been asking this, or offhand mentioning it in a few streams, and I feel it's probably the right time to sort of explain it. Is you may have noticed during my streams... small little noises, I guess, almost like whimpers or squeaks. I don't think that often, but anyway, the source of those is myself, because I have Tourette syndrome, and I guess I wanted to say that right now, in front of everybody, because I feel like it's probably the time. I'm usually quite a private person, but I figured that's probably something that my viewers should know. I know someone figured it out, so it was bound to happen eventually. For those of you who aren't familiar with Tourette's, it's a neurological disorder where you basically have to do compulsions. There's no real cure for it. I do what's called... so the compulsions are called tics, T-I-C-S. I do something called tic suppression, which is not really good, but effectively you can it's not like a I guess it's not a compulsion like a reflex, right? So it's more something that your brain is telling your body to do, but you can kind of intercept it, and a lot of the time redirect it or minimize it. However, if you do that, if you suppress the tic, it kind of just builds up over time. So at the end of my videos, I am like, you know, after I click end stream, there's like an explosion of freaking built up tics. So I guess I'm going to try. I do it automatically because honestly, when you have Tourette's and you have tics that are vocal, I have both vocal tics and motor tics. Motor tics are if you see my face do weird shit, that's a motor tic. I have both of those, so going out into society and having people stare at you, not good. So I do the tic suppression as a sort of second nature. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna try and not suppress it as much, and just ask that everyone be kind of understanding. There will be some weird shit going on. So yeah, I have it like that is a tic, and I've like blinking tics, nose scrunching tics. That's a tic. Also, by the way, if a person with Tourette's starts talking about their Tourette's, it triggers their tics. This is extremely funny when you go to a Tourette syndrome support group. Because it's the most weird fucking thing ever. We all just set each other off, and it's kind of hilarious. However, yes. So I have a lot of motor tics, which are mostly head movements and stuff. Blinking. If you've ever heard me like sniff, like do that a lot, it's not because I'm ill. It's a tic. Most of them are tics. I have a lot of vocal tics. I guess I'll do some. So I have like that, stuff like that. I have squeaks. But yeah, I'm gonna try and not suppress them as much, I guess, and see how that goes. But yeah, what else is there? Oh yes, I do. So Tourette syndrome is a lot of people think of it as a swearing, the swearing thing, right? That's what most people know it for, and that is surprisingly only I think 10% of people with Tourette's suffer from that. I didn't for years, and then I started, but mine's pretty mild. The story of that one actually is kind of funny. So one day, I think it must have been like 3-4 years ago now, I started just saying the word boom. So BOOM, just randomly like boom, which is, you know, weird enough. And also I was nervous about going to a fucking airport. Just saying the word boom a lot. So tics can change over time as well. That particular tic morphed into the word boob, which is, I guess, slightly better than boom to say at an airport. Boob morphed into boobies. So I guess I have technically two vocal tics, boobies and big boobies, which I'll say randomly. So sorry about that. Yeah. So if you hear those, because I guess I really suppress those. I don't think I've ever said those or anything close to them on stream. They're definitely more easier to suppress. However, if they come out, they're going to come out, and yeah. So there we go. There's one. All right. We're gonna do some easy boxes. Sorry, Ronitron, thank you for the subscription with Prime. Really appreciate it. Thank you all, by the way, for the lovely comments I've been reading. All right, let's do a poll. What should we do? Which Which platform do we want to do? Hack the Box, TryHackMe, or Proving Grounds? Let's do 2 minutes and start there. We can do either of them. Okay, much nicer not to suppress shit all the time, to be honest. And I take it, by the way, if people join the stream, because I noticed we've gone from 48 to 59 viewers in the last 10 minutes. If people join the stream and start asking questions, please inform them. Nicely. It's definitely weird. I'm not going to be keeping track of chat enough, and I really probably won't want to be saying, by the way, I have Tourette's, as much as possible. So, let's go. But yeah, the reason I mentioned that, again, people have been asking, but also I wanted to sort of, I felt like I was kind of, since I'm in a position where I've gained some, I guess, respect in the community, and people look up to me as a source of knowledge, which continually baffles me, by the way. Since I am, however, that, I guess I figured I would at least share that even if you have Tourette syndrome and you think you're never going to get a normal job, not that pen testing is a normal job, but even if you think it's going to be career debilitating, trust me, it's not. It's going to be fine. You can make a chat command. What, just like exclamation point Tourette's? You assumed you was just doing your own thing? Yeah, I mean, I guess I kind of was. Alright, TryHackMe 1. So, let's... By the way, the that isn't the compulsion when I do that to cover it. That's literally habit trying to convince people it's a sneeze. Yeah, we voted, Angel. You gotta freaking pay attention, man. All right, let me go back to the screen. Oh, another reason I revealed it now is I only just discovered there is a really famous Twitch streamer called Sweet Anita, who also happens to be British. She's a gamer, though. I don't stream gamers. And she has Tourette's, and she is very open about it, so... Right, what am I doing? What am I doing? Alright, let's do... Challenges. Difficulty, not info, but easy. Hide completed. Okay, anyone got any good TryHackMe boxes they want me to try? Yeah, I started watching some of her streams. She's really good. I gotta say, it's probably gonna be much easier for me not having to suppress them anymore. I really should have done this at the start. Anyway, moving on. Windows box would be nice. Alright. Alright, Windows. There's... These are all the ones that are tagged Windows, I guess. VulnNet Roasted. Anthem, exploit a Windows box in this machine. Alright, let's see what Anthem does. A mobile room? No. I hate mobile testing. Blueprint. I mean, what does... Roasted is Active Directory. I hate Active Directory. I need to get better at it. Alright, I mean, okay. We got three. We got Anthem, Blueprint, and VulnNet. Does anyone want to suggest a fourth, or do you want to just have a poll for those three? Easy, medium. We're not going to do medium. We're just going to do easy. Somewhere between Blueprint and Anthem. More like Blueprint, since Anthem seems... Make a poll, even though I'm going to make a poll, but, you know, we've only got 3 boxes selected. I'm just wondering if anyone wants a 4th option that's not Windows. So if anyone has an idea for a box that's easy, that they've tried, let me know in the next maybe 30 seconds. Gar7, thank you for the tier 1 subscription. Angel D is ready this time. Good. All right. Nobody has ideas for boxes, I guess. I'll give you a few more seconds. I realize there is a slight delay. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna put the poll. Screw it, you're all getting a Windows box. Alright, which room? Anthem, Blueprint, or VulnNet Roasted. I should probably spell it correctly, maybe. Is that it? Yeah. Alright, 2 minutes. There you go. Twitching Astronaut. I love your name because twitching is kind of another word for what I'm doing. OSINT, unfortunately, yeah. I mean, we could have done OSINT, but to be honest, I hate OSINT. I'm also, by the way, I've started using, I guess I should say, I haven't really started using it, but I'm going to experiment using Notion. Because I've seen other people use it, and it seems pretty nice in terms of note-taking. I like the fact that you can like do stuff like this, and it's all easy, and yeah. So we're gonna try that. We're gonna see what happens. Yeah, I've tried Joplin. Oh, you have the other one. What is the other one? You're gonna have to remind me. I apologize. Of course, you don't have to reveal it, by the way, if you don't want to. That's absolutely fine. Alright, it's pretty close between Blueprint and VulnNet Roasted. Oh shit, yeah, that's the bad one. No, that's Epilepsy's got nothing on sorry, Tourette's has got nothing on Epilepsy. That really sucks. Alright, VulnNet has pulled ahead, and I'm pretty sure it's going to win. Yeah, there we go. Alright, we'll join the room. We will start. It says may take up to 6 minutes, so what's the time now? Oh, great. So when it's 6 p.m. Eastern, I'll do that. Okay, let's start up a new thing. VulnNet Roasted. Empty, I guess. I do like the whole command thing. It's kind of nice. I have used Obsidian. Actually, I've been using Obsidian on stream. The only thing with Obsidian is I don't really like how you can't edit in place. You have to basically open a preview window to see everything in the Markdown rendered. You can't edit in place. It's not like a WYSIWYG, right? What you see is what you get, which is this one is. I kind of prefer that, I think. Let's open this as a page. Oh, it does? Okay. Well, maybe I'll try it again. Because the only thing I don't like about Notion is the fact that on Linux, which obviously I'm using on Kali, it doesn't have a proper app. I think the only app it has is one that's effectively just taken the website and shows it in a frame. So we'll see that. Please enable dark. Yeah, okay. How do I enable dark mode? Is it customized page? No. Oh, settings. I don't see settings. Top left. Am I just unable? Am I blind? Top left. Maybe over here would be. I can tell my left from right. I swear. Where is it? Appearance, probably. Oh, yeah, look at that. The other left, exactly. Not this left. This left. Wait a minute, wait. Oh yeah, left, there we go. It's this way. Alright. We've still got 4 minutes left. Alright, chat. How was everyone's New Year, by the way? I realised I did not ask that. Well, what's in 4 minutes when the box fully boots? I'm gonna assume that this is correct. It might take up to 6 minutes. How was mine? Mine was good. I did a stream. That was fun. And then I joined some friends remotely to effectively play. What did we play? We played Among Us for like 3 hours. Before that, we played Jackbox. That was it. So that was fun. It's nice when you have friends all across the US because you can get into a New Year's Eve stream and you celebrate New Year's Day pretty much like 3 times. It's like Eastern Seaboard, Central, Pacific. Well, actually, we skipped Mountain, didn't we? Yes, that was fun. Alright, I'm gonna... firstly, actually, we probably should connect. Open VPN. Yeah, so continental US has 4 time zones, and then I recently did some testing for people in Hawaii, and just forget about that. Like when it's 9 a.m. there, I think it was 3 or 4 on the East Coast. So it was like, oh, great. Yeah, I completely forgot that Hawaii is a completely different place. Like, usually if you want to communicate with people on the West Coast, it's fine. You don't have to wait too long, but Hawaii, forget about it. What am I gonna do? VulnNet roasted. I can't stop wondering what is the 4th poster? That one? Anyone want to tell them? It's I guess it's a subtle reference. Anyone in chat know? I give you a clue. It's from a book. All right, let's IP address. It's not Jupiter. I mean, think of it. It's a planet and a thumbs up sign. Not Oh Famous knows what it is. Okay, tell us. What am I doing right? O-N. I'll do -V as well. Yeah, Not Oh Famous has got it. It is from Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, which if you have not read, what are you doing with your life? Get off the stream, buy the book, buy the entire series of books. It's a trilogy with 5 books in it. And that's not my joke, that's their joke. Literally, I think the 5th book subtitle was the 5th book in the trilogy. It's hilarious. It was written in, I believe, the 80s. It's one of the funniest books you'll ever read. Topports.mmap. I should really actually start scanning. It started actually as a radio series, which I also recommend you listen to. Which might even be better than the book series. It had a TV show which was okay. It had a movie which was crap. Don't watch the movie. The movie, honestly, did I forget? I did. I forgot to do. I should probably do SV and SC. Yeah, don't watch the movie. It honestly, I hate when people say, "Oh, you know, it ruined something ruined my childhood." But it didn't ruin my childhood. It didn't ruin the book either. It's just the movie was just bad. It was a bad adaptation. You know, you've got such good source material, and you're going to start inventing stuff. No, don't. Ridiculous. You don't need to invent anything. Just do the book. All right, we're going to start Stream Raiders while this scans. All right. Yeah, I'll do this. I will say it's not the worst adaptation I've seen. The worst adaptation I've seen is Wrinkle in Time. If anyone saw that a couple of years ago. Wrinkle in Time has a special... start a new map. We lost, that was a tough one. Wrinkle in Time has a special place because it is the only movie where I've actually walked out. I've only ever walked out of a movie once, and it was for that movie. Because that was an insult to the book. Yeah, it sucked. Okay, what we got here? We've got barely anything. Did it really not do any of the... We got AD, yeah, but I'm surprised we didn't get any more information here. Should we run auto recon? I'm going to run auto recon just because... okay. Okay, we're going to run all the recon with my special config file. And do I want to do anything else? I think I'm good. Oh, hang on, the plugins are outdated. All right. Fig or the recon? Sure. All right. There we go. Sorry. There. All right. We'll use auto recon. And we'll increase the verbosity, whatever. For those who don't know, auto recon is this. Very handy on the OSCP, very handy in CTFs. And hopefully it's going to work properly. Alright, but let's actually have a look at what we got up here. So yeah, basically a lot of Active Directory stuff. This is probably a domain controller. It's got DNS. It's got Kerberos on it. It's got LDAP. It's got SMB, so we can start looking at the SMB stuff at least. I'm allowed to self-promo. Alright. This is my stream. VulnNet roasted. Alright, let's do SMB client. -L. Alright. So this is definitely a domain controller because you have, I believe the sysvol is the reason. It looks like we've got this Business Anonymous and Enterprise Anonymous. So I guess we can try and connect to those. I'm trying to see how we connect. Yeah, like that, right? So SMB client. Oops. Take the IP address. And probably, no, we don't need to do that. Copy this disk name. Want an SMB map? Yeah, we could. We could just try it. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to exit out of here. And we'll go into the results directory. And we're going to loot. And we'll just run everything as sudo, even though we shouldn't. So we'll do SMB. Actually, hang on. I'll move SMB to, what was it? SMB business anon. All right. Sorry. 10.10.178.219. The only reason I'm root right now is because I'm in Auto Recon's results directory and I ran Auto Recon as root. Alright, let's mget everything. So mget is basically multiple get. It'll just ask you for everything. There is a way to skip it asking for everything, but honestly, since there's only 3 files, you don't really need to. However, we can Google it. SMB client mget no prompts. Yeah, it's like recurse off. I tell you where it is. I know where it is. If you go to GitHub, if you go to my GitHub, Go to Pentest cheat sheets. I think services, NetBIOS SMB. There we go. Download files recursively. If you just copy and paste all this, obviously you don't need to. If you're in the current directory that you want to download them to, you don't need to do any of these two. But set the mask to an empty string, recurse on, prompt off, mget asterisk. Or I guess you can do this. Okay, so there was nothing else, right? Oh yeah, you can't do ls. All right, we'll exit. Or we'll just, freeze it. This is clearly a slow box today, I think. It hasn't even finished the top TCP port scan. There we go. All right. So the other share was this one, VulnNet Enterprise Anonymous. So if we go back here, make a directory, SMB Enterprise. Okay. And then do the same SMB client command, except we're going to substitute business for, sorry, enterprise for business. Hang on. Have we actually killed the box? Oh boy. Oh, ping might not work. Let me just quickly do an mmap on port 445. Yeah, okay, the box port 88 maybe. Yep. All right, the auto recon killed the box. Fun. Let's terminate that and start it again. But while we're starting it, we can at least read the results here. And what I'll do is I'll edit the config file so we can only run a few things against the box. All right, SMB business anon. We had let's go Vim business manager. Okay, Alexa Whitehat is our core business manager. All business-related offers, campaigns, advertisements should be directed to her. Blah, blah, blah. Call this number. TryHackMe. Alright, so we potentially have a username here. So let's go back to here. And we'll do a new subsection, I guess. Potential usernames. We have Alexa Whitehat. All right. Business sections. Okay, we have another one. Jack Goldenhand. Okay. Business tracking. Right, there's nobody in here then. Alright. So we got two potential usernames. Once the box restarts, we can at least try and connect to, oops. We want to connect to this new IP address. Alright, so it's still booting. You think John is the solid username? Maybe both are. Oh, I should probably update the subject. TryHackMe, VulnNet roasted. All right. I'm just going to nmap quickly. All right, that's open. Anonymous login successful. Excellent. Except it can't list anything. Okay, cool. What I will do. Yeah, we're in. Yeah. What we'll do, we'll run auto recon again. Let me check what my config file says. Alright. That should be okay. What I'm going to do then, recon-h, because I can't remember how to use my own bloody tool. Okay, I'm gonna... I just want to check what the TCP scanners are tagged as. They're tagged as default port scan. Okay, so because last time what we did was we just ran it and all three of them went. So if I now do exclude tags equals default port scans scan. If I was just to run this, it wouldn't actually run because there's no port scan plugins that match the tag specified. However, what I want to do is run this quick TCP port scan, or as it's called, top TCP ports. So if I just do, I think it's port scans. Yeah, there we go. If I do -- port scans equals top TCP ports, then it should just do the top one. So hopefully that's going to be a little less abusive on that box. Okay. So one thing we can do, some people were mentioning it, is crackmap exec. I'm going to exit out of root here. Actually, we could try TryHackMe VulnNet roasted. Okay, crackmap. I don't use crackmap exec that often, so crackmap exec. I think you can. Yeah, you can just give it a port, right? Sorry, not a port. You can just give it an IP address, and I think it will go scan it. Right, so it tells us the version of Windows. So we've got Windows 10, which is great. We've got the domain. And so now I think we can just try some usernames. So what we're going to do, we're going to users.txt. So what we want to do is take these two, copy them into here. All right, so we got Alexa. So obviously a username, I don't think can have a space in it in Windows. Maybe it can. I was in Vim, but I'm just going to use this to edit. So we're going to put a dot, we're going to put Alexa, and we're going to put Jack. I guess we'll just put white hat, golden hand, and maybe do a dot white hat, j dot golden hand, maybe a white hat and j golden hand. Anyone think of any other combinations we can use? Pretty sure that's all of it. So now I can copy. Oh yeah, I guess we could use name smash. All right, hang on. White Cyber Goose has suggested name smash. I'm all for using new tools. Is it this one? Jeez, okay. I'm not entirely sure that's the right one. White Cyberduck, if you could post the link, that'd be great, I guess. Let's just try it with the ones we had. Alright, and so we're going to crap map exec smb -h. Okay, so we can give it a file using password file. So what we'll do actually, let's try the top 1,000 passwords of the RockU list. The best way to do that is to use head-n1000, and literally I had the command there. So top 1,000. Now let's do crap map exec smb-u. We want the file users-p top. All right, and then the IP address. And I think that'll just do it. We might want the domain as well. So when we ran this before, hey, look, it's working. All right. When we ran this before, we got the domain, right? So this is the domain. So we can do -d for the domain. Yeah, okay. All right, let's see how that does. I think that's okay. Right, so it just gives that. Oh, hang on. Do I need to? Yeah, I think you need to tell it not to stop, but I'm not sure where the. How do you do that? But continue on success. Continues authentication attempts even after success. Oh, does it? So it's failing. Is it failing when I or more? It's counting my anonymous login as a success, I guess. Is that correct? All right, we don't want to print them all though. So. Is there a I guess what we can do is just use T. So we're gonna pipe it into T, and we'll do smb brute.txt. All right, what T does, so instead of piping it into just all the output into a file, what it's going to do is it's going to pipe it into T, which then writes it to a file and also outputs it. So that's what that's doing. Okay, auto recon finished. So what we can now do is sudo chown basically that, the entire directory, so that's good. And now we can open the results directory in our in Atom. And I think it was this one. So we'll go to scans. So this is SMB map. Oh. Okay, we got a read only to the IPC. Looks like we could connect to Enterprise Anonymous. That's interesting. Alright, let's try that then. We got anything yet? I'm guessing not. Alright, let's try connecting to Enterprise Anonymous. Alright, that worked this time. Okay, so now we can local CD into VulnNet roasted. And salts. This loot. Okay, and we just get all this. Probably. Okay, did that actually work? CD into results. 18 loot. It did. All right, that's good. So that worked. What I will do is I'll move all the other ones. I guess here. Right, and then we'll finally move all Enterprise into the SMB Enterprise Anon folder. And then we'll go in there. Alright, let's see. Enterprise operations. Okay, there's no usernames in there. Enterprise safety. Tony. Okay, so we have another username, unfortunately. Tony Skid. Alright. And what was the final one? Sync. Johnny Leet. Okay, so we actually have we have 4 potential usernames instead of 2. Okay, I guess we can try and just look at the results of the yeah, here we go. grep success, I think. Okay, so we haven't got any successful ones yet. It's still going for Alexa. Maybe top 1000 was probably not the best idea. So why don't we do top 100 instead? So we'll do top 100. And maybe we'll just start off with Should we just start off with just their names? And perhaps perhaps their first names as well. So let's try this. Okay, and then we'll do Alexa, Jack, Tony, and Johnny. Let's see if I'm just gonna can active directory usernames contain spaces. I think they can. Yeah, including spaces. Okay, so spaces are fine. All right, let's cancel that. And we'll just do it again. Grab map exec, top 100 this time. Yeah. All right, this should take less time. Basically, we're only sending 800 requests. Alright, while we're doing this, we'll look around for anything. Nothing in Kerberos. What about DNS? No DNS. Was SMB signed or not? I don't think it was. Oh no, it was signing. Oh. So presumably we can't do that. SMB signing crack map exec. I think that won't work, will it? Maybe it will. Again, I'm pretty new when it comes to crack map exec, so I defer to the more educated in the chat. I think it'll work. At least the login stuff. It looks like it does here anyway. All right, we'll Okay, we have stream raiders at least we can do while we're waiting. Let's do this. We all died. All right. Not enough units in. Yeah, please everyone join the battle next time. Stream Raiders. It's a fun little game. All right. All right. So, I guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to grep all lines that don't contain status access denied. You can do that by giving grep a -v in SMB brute. Okay, so I didn't find any usernames. Sorry, any username password combinations. Was there anything else? Is there anything in here that's interesting? Maybe. Let's see what enum for Linux says. Basically nothing. Okay, LDAP. LDAP. Maybe? Hello, I'm confused daily. Okay, so we've got some potential with LDAP. We've already checked that port. That was Kerberos. Nothing there. Am I a programmer? I guess technically speaking. Yeah, I think I actually have I think LDAP search is in the manual commands. Maybe I should add that to make a note of this command. Alright, well, not have two LDAP searches. So the host is going to be this. Okay, so we got nothing. Tmux theme is actually just Powerline. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go to Hack Tricks. And let's go to Active Directory. Okay. All right. Recon Active Directory. So we'll follow this. Pentesting will scan the network. Blah blah blah. Check for null and guest access on SMB servers, which we did. Enumerate LDAP, which we did. There's, I guess, this. You can enumerate LDAP with or without credentials using Python. I mean, let's just try this. Maybe this will give us some more information. Probably not, but worth trying. I need to do -pn. And then 10, 10, 18, 134. Yeah, true. LDAP search didn't work, so probably not the way in. Alright, it's probably not going to be a poisoning of a network attack. We can try that later. Enum for Linux came back with nothing, so that's the problem. We did enum for Linux. So, oh, it said no reply. Maybe we can try it again. Let me check the command I ran. Alright, let's do this. Yeah, it just got that. Alright. Fair enough. Let's see if this works a little better. Yes. Doesn't look like it's... Doesn't look like it's getting anything, I would say. Alright, let's we can use this, I guess. We can try this AS Rep Roast. Locate, sorry. So we got this. Right. We need... Try all usernames in usernames.txt. Okay, we'll try this. So AS Rep Roast is a it's a weird Kerberos thing where if people don't, I think if accounts are set up to not request pre-authentication, you can grab their encrypted user key and then you can decrypt it. So we don't want Jurassic.park. This is going to be the domain, I think. No, it's the IP address, right? So I can just do 10, 129, no. 10, 10, 18, 134, I think will work. And I think we just want users.txt. Wrong realm. Alright, so do I need to... Yeah, so I need to basically set up my host file now. Alright, so the host name, which we got from CrackMap exec somewhere. If I scroll up a bit. Yeah, here we go. This is the host name. So I'm going to go up here. It was 1010. 18134. Okay. We can rerun this just sticking in. Yeah, well, we can maybe check out the files in IPC as well, because we did have those, which are weird. Alright, so we can also just try, since we didn't actually do it before, I'm going to open up this in Atom, actually. So what we'll do is we'll copy these again, we'll put the dot between them, just to double check. What we'll also do is do A white hat, J golden hand, T skid, J leets. Let's try those. It's saying client not found though, which is weird, right? Do I have to give it a domain? No, that's alright, Lucellen. That's alright, don't worry about that. Do we want to give it this? potentially. Maybe. No. All right. Maybe that's not the way in. So yeah, we were able to read some files in the IPC. So let's try just connecting. To that. Okay, can't list those. How is it listing them? Is there anything even in here, to be honest, that we... SMB list IPC files. Yeah, that's not it. I wouldn't say this is an easy box, to be honest. I guess maybe it's an easy Active Directory box if you know what you're doing with Active Directory. Do you check the output file just in case? Oh, you mean when I ran? I didn't actually. Yeah, we didn't have any. This is interesting. I guess we could try mounting. So we'll make a temp IPC. 1018 134. Can I sudo it? Yeah, okay, hang on. Can you only mount? Maybe you can only mount it if you have a username and password. That would be weird. I wonder if I can just do. We did a domain trans. Actually, I didn't use the domain, so maybe that was. Yeah, we'll try that next. Let's let me just try giving this username. Yeah, okay, that's not gonna work. Alright, so we have in here, we go to the commands log, there should be, yeah, here we go. We can do a DNS lookup on the host name, which is this one. So we'll copy this command in, we'll do VulnNet. See if it can identify itself. That was the right IP address. Yep. It doesn't know about itself apparently, but oh yeah, okay, no. Right, so it does know about itself. It's got 2 IP addresses. So we might be able to do a domain, sorry, not a domain transfer, but a zone transfer. If we give it the actual domain name, which did not work. Alright, domain transfer didn't work. It's got to be something. Yes, it's probably an internal, maybe, IP address. IPC access means you can enumerate SIDs. Okay. Did you ever do a full TCP/TM? We didn't because it was killing the box, but we can try that for sure. All ports 1010. We won't do. Let's just try that. Yeah, maybe there's like a web server or something. Yeah, there is enum for Linux. Enum for Linux NG, which I don't have. We can definitely try that. Sorry, NG. Okay, we'll clone this. We'll go into my tools. Active Directory. Git clone. Check for the new IP. What do you mean check for the new IP? Oh, you mean when we did the domain stuff? Oops. So what, do a reverse lookup on these, you mean? We could try a reverse lookup. Was it -X, right? We can also try this one. Well, I imagine the reverse lookup might just point back. Okay, there's nothing for that one. Try that one. Okay, I discovered a new port there. Interesting. I just hope it doesn't crash the box again. That'd be annoying. Oh, sorry, I missed Kebab's Pats. Do you only teach hacking? Kind of. Alright, we're 18% done. I'm discovering some more ports. Maybe. Oh, hang on. Is 5985. WinRM, alright. Maybe So I guess WinRM doesn't work. Okay, can we do evil WinRM? I'm guessing... I don't know why the WinRM port isn't in the top, but that does make sense. But yeah, do we need cred still? Alright, we do need creds, but it's a good way in. So I'm guessing the thing is to find creds. We have usernames. Did I just miss stuff? Let me open a folder. Let's open this folder here. Oh wait, what am I doing? No. Close that. Where's the loot? Did we miss anything obvious here? We got Alexa, Jack, Golden Hand, nobody from there, nobody in there, Tony Skid, and Johnny Leet. The TCP is just taking forever. 8 minutes left. Oh dear. So I guess we can try Active Directory username enumeration. If you have a non-IPC... Yeah, so actually that's what we were going to try in num for Linux, weren't we? So let me try num for Linux. NG. Cat requirements. Alright, pip install -r requirements. Alright. Python 3. Okay. Get users via IPC, so we'll do that. RPC, sorry. And we just need the host name. Okay, well, not the host name. We need the IP address. I do need to at some point get enum for Linux NG into AutoRecon. Oh, here we go. Is the box down again? Hang on, mmap. The box is down again. I'm gonna. All right. Let's reset it. Actually, let me. All right. We'll reset it one more time. And if it crashes again, I say we just cut our losses and start another box, because we've been at this one for an hour and it's crashed twice. It really shouldn't be this. Yeah, Angel. I'll probably, if I do put it in AutoRecon, I'll probably do both. I just know the old one is written in Perl and it gives out all these stupid freaking error messages. So yeah. Okay, we're slowly building a pretty good army on Stream Raiders, by the way. If you haven't joined Stream Raiders, please go over there. Yeah. The problem with me being a web app tester is I'm really bad at Active Directory, which is why I'm doing on Fridays the Hollow network on TryHackMe, because that is an Active Directory network. Partly because obviously the Active Directory is a big part of the OSCP now, but also I want to put a lot of stuff on a lot of Active Directory commands into AutoRecon. And if you have any idea for commands, by the way, even non-Active Directory commands, please just go AutoRecon here, issues, new issue, and just literally like say, hey, you should add this command. Okay? You can take like 10 seconds. It would be really helpful. You don't have to write the plugin. I'll write the plugin. Oh yeah, be like GoPro Slow-Yo and find bugs and do that. But you don't have to do that. That's just appreciated. All right, let's see if this worked again. Let's see if the frickin' port's open. Closed. Open. There we go. Okay. Oh, holy crap. Hey, RWX Rob. Appreciate the raid, man. I also like the username. I'm gonna have to go to your Twitch and give you a follow. Twitch.tv. Read, write, execute, Rob. Alright. I gave you a follow. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. Okay, what do we do? Here we go. Yeah, it didn't. It didn't enumerate any users. Can we just get it to enumerate everything? Is there a -A? Yeah. Okay. We'll try that next, Jayhawk. Appreciate it. For those just joining, this is Cyber Mentoring Monday, so we're trying to do easy boxes. This has been slightly beyond easy. It's supposed to be easy. It says not to overthink it. It's an Active Directory box, so and I'm a web app tester, so I don't do Active Directory that often, so it's a learning experience all round. However, the box has crashed twice from just mmap scans, so I'm not holding out weight. Okay, hang on, here we go. And also, if you're new to the stream, which I guess most of you are now, I have Tourette syndrome, so that's all the noises are. You do not need to be concerned. Okay, let's try frickin' lookup. Locate, lookup, SID. All right, there we go. Let's try this out. Whoops. Jeez, come on. -H. Okay. Alright, we need the IP address again. I'm hoping. Alright, we need, I guess, the target IP address then? Jeez, come on. Target IP. And then I guess the target is the domain. Okay. So we know the domain, which is this. Let's try that. Access denied. Okay. Oh, domain SIDS. Maybe that. Domain SIDS. Is that a Dalek on my wall? It is. Did I have to put domain SIDS? Sometimes they really hate that. No. Yeah, it doesn't look... Oh, hang on. Don't ask for a password? Maybe just do that then? I don't know if no pass will work or not. Let's do Stream Raiders while we're at it. For those who are new to the stream, Stream Raiders is a fun little game we play. Where's all the enemies? There they are. Every half an hour. It's free to play, you just have to sign in using a Twitch account. Okay. GoPro Sloyo had like 9 kills, so I'm going to give him this. There we go. Alright, back to the map. We will go down here. And I'll put myself there. And there we go, back to this. Alright, someone redeemed... Christy redeemed a Rubik's Cube solve. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to look away and scramble it for you. And apologies if it's not getting scrambled very well. Alright, that's pretty scrambled. Okay, let's do this. Alright, cool. I got a lot of stuff to do now. I'm not the fastest solver in the world, but I get it done. There we go. All right. There we go. All solved. Next time blindfolded. Yeah, sure. All right, where were we? Okay, look up sid.py. Let me locate again. All right, we'll try this one. I think this is just the same script though, right? Anonymous at this domain. Alright, Quest View. I have a laptop and desktop both using the same router and external facing IP that can't ping each other based on their internal IP. Not listed on each other's ARP tables. That sounds like a router problem, to be honest. I don't know how to fix that. Look at that, we've got some stuff. Thank you very much,
Mr. Streamer.
Oh, yeah. Christy, thank you for the redemption. See, it works. Finally. Oh, for frick's sake, they had dashes. Look at this. This is not easy. Who put? What satanic sysadmin puts dashes between the first letter and and the last username. Seriously. What? Who does that? Nobody. Nobody does that. We look what we tried. We tried so many different combinations. At some point I even had a dot blah blah blah, but no, it's a dash. That's, yeah. This is stupid. All right. Bugredo said, "Is solving it math related?" No, it's literally memorization. If you can remember, like, I think there's like 10 different algorithms. It's literally just that. And to be honest, I couldn't even tell you the algorithms. It's all muscle memory by now. I've done it. I must have solved them like 10,000 times. Okay, we know this, so let's do that brute force attack again. All right, so I'm going to save these. We're going to delete, and we're going to do copy that, get rid of that, replace. Okay, save. All right. Okay. SMB brute. We'll leave it at top 100. Rock you. I can tell the difference between a good or bad sysadmin. Oh look, we're getting log-on failures now. All right, so let's try this. We'll stuff this in our notes. Yeah, so this was SID enum. That found us these. Cool. Okay. All right, so we might have to go beyond the first 100. Right. If we have to do top 1,000, I'll just remove the top 100 from the list. Which is looking more and more likely. Fasttrack.txt? Is that on the box? Oops, locate fast. What is this? Oh, yeah. I mean, these are really outdated. Some of these, so we'll try that if the other ones don't work. But what else was in the list? We actually had this enterprise core VN user as well. which might be something. Oh, right, yeah. We can now try it with ASRep. Which is what? Where was the command for that? It's the get PMP users. There we go. Yeah, the problem is we did this earlier, but we didn't have a list of users. And I need to change the IP address. And the box kept crashing. This is oh my god, why does it do this? Was it 206? Yeah, okay. Try that. Okay, so that means skid. T-skid, I think. I think we might have just got their hash. We did. We got T-skid's Kerberos hash. So now we can crack this. Okay. I think it says... Does it say what the hash number is? Just use Kerberos. Yeah, you could use that. Apart from it's not installed. Does Hashcat have it though? No, I guess not. Kerberos. Oh wait, no, this is basically does the same thing, right? Alright, hang on. ASRep is this one. Okay. So we'll do a 0M this. User hashes. The output cracked.txt, and then the word list we will do user share word list passwords rock you. Give it force. Can I become a computer programmer if I was really bad in math? Yeah, absolutely. You can probably find yourself learning more math anyway, but in terms of do you need to know math to be a programmer? No. There's a lot of stuff you can do in programming which pretty much it just does the math for you, honestly. That did not crack it, I don't think. Oh no, it did. Okay. There we go. Alright, so we got T hyphen so is it ASRep or no ASRep? So ASRep got us this. Well, hang on. Should probably do the whole. And then that got us this. I'm trying to be good and do notes. Is there a commands like a code thing. Code, there we go. Not JavaScript. Plain text, there we go. Okay, and then we cracked it using this command. Which got us this. I'll just copy that actually, why not? Correct password is that. Okay. Now we can try. We got their password right, so we should just be able to log in using VulnNet. Okay, we got -u. The user was T-scared. -p. I'm gonna have to put quotes around it because the asterisk. And then we need the realm, right? Is the domain, yeah. Which is what? Forget the domain address. Where's the? There's the domain. Okay. Go back here. And then we want the IP. I think we can just do -i, right? Oh, Kerberos, the protocol. Thanks for the raid, Hacker Kyle. Hang on. Evil win. Yeah, I did that. Maybe I don't need the... Maybe I don't need that. Yeah, I mean, the port should be open. We scanned it the second time around. Whether it's still open, the box hasn't just crashed. Who knows? 5985. It is open. Good. All right. WinRM authorization error. This is why I figured we probably need the or maybe it's not the local bit. Maybe it's just the first bit. No. Okay. Evil WinRM with Kerberos. Oops. Yeah. We'll use CrackMap. Yeah, CrackMap exec. The user is going to be T-skid. The password is this. And then we just want yeah, we can log in. Does it need the eye first? Is that what we're saying? Because I've literally ran that. Switch the protocol? Hang on. Alright, hang on. Crack, map, exit. Oh, right, I should have done WinRM. Too many people are chatting about different things. Alright, so we can't log in via WinRM. Alright, fair enough. Can we do it with WinExe? I think we should be able to do it with WinExe, right? Dash U. T skid percentage and then the password. Host, and then we'll do cmd.exe. Okay, sorry, slash for host. Please work. Not looking good, is it? psexec.py. We'll use another freaking tool. Okay. So it uses the same kind of thing, except we do an at. Yeah, okay. We'll just do an at here. cmd.exe. No, hang on. Access denied. Is it just not liking the fact that I've got this here? Can I just do this? Oops. No, it doesn't like that. How are we overthinking this box? Do not overthink. Can't even log in. I mean, let's try MSF console because MSF console has leave the password off. Yeah, okay, we'll try that as well then, I guess. I don't think there was a 3389. psexec. There we go. All right. Password was this. Copy that. I'm just going to paste it in here just in case there was some formatting issues, which there weren't. Okay, hang on. Just didn't like that was okay. Yeah, not writable. I'm just gonna try it on here. I've had times in the past where this one worked and the others just don't. All right, set our hosts to We need a shell for Bloodhound, though. Oh no, is there a remote Bloodhound? Right, SMB domain is this. Yeah, there is a remote Bloodhound, but I mean, we're not even able to authenticate to this. So, SMB user. We're just going to try every single method, and it's going to be an educational experience on how to attempt logins to a Windows box. Set SMB pass. Why do I keep going up here? There we go. There's the password. I'll keep skipping across. Okay. Show options again. Make sure that's all good. Set lhost to ton 0. Okay. Exploit. Yeah. Okay. That didn't work. Okay. Bloodhound Python. TryHackMe, Bloodhound Python, username tskid, password, that, domain, we can probably log in using RPC client. We're trying to get a shell eventually, though. Bloodhound Python DC flag. Right. Okay. So the wait. Domain's that. DC is also that. Oh no, because I think I didn't change it in the frickin' thing. Hang on. Okay, what else do we need? GC global catalog host is the same thing, right? We want to tell it to get everything, so that's -c all. And the name server is also this. I really hope that works. Specified domain controller looks like an IP address but requires a host. Okay, right. So we do need to just do this then, and it'll look it up. It's possible the names that because we. Yeah, I think the problem with giving it the name server here is that it's not going to give us the right thing. Maybe I should just remove the name server. Yeah, okay. So hang on. sudo vim hosts. Because the box is restarted since I updated this. I'm pretty sure this is not correct. So here we go, yeah. So that was just DNS being crap. No? Okay. That's gonna be an issue. Because presumably it's querying the domain, the DNS server, and getting back the wrong IP address, because we checked last time it was not giving us the proper IP address. But I don't know what's happening now. Has it crashed again? No. What a molding box. Come on. Yeah, no root to host. What I think it's doing I don't know why we have to pass this. I wonder though, so what I can do... let me edit my DNS mask config. So if I do address equals dot, and we give it the domain again. Okay. DNS mask restart. And if I give it my local... No, okay. So to explain what's going on here, if you notice that VulnNet rst.local has this address, right? And it has a DNS server on it. If we look up itself, so if we look up the domain on this IP address, it gives us two IPs which don't exist on the network. I think you need to add the computer name. We can try that, certainly. So the computer name is a completely another thing, isn't it? I think it was in the num for Linux. Or was it in one of the didn't crack map exec do this as well? No. SMB I meant to type. I think it gives the... Yeah, this is the box. So you're saying we need to add the computer name. Like that. Maybe that, I don't know. I'm almost ready to give up on this box. I don't think it's been particularly educational to anyone watching. It's not an easy box for sure. Okay, it did find something and then it crashed. We could, yeah, enumerate the shares. Why is it doing this? Yeah, we can try curve roasting. Hang on. Curve roast page. Okay, we'll do this. Did CME LDAP? We didn't do LDAP. We can try it. We got a battle to start, by the way. It did, yeah, okay. So, let's do the battle first. Yeah, I wouldn't say this is an easy box. Okay, we got the GoPro Slayer wins again. Alright, we will do this one. Alright, so LDAP did. But LDAP did work. I'm just gonna do this though, hang on. So DC IP address 10.10.159.206. Domain full. VulnNet. Let's do the local. T-skid. Okay. Password is this. Alright. So it looks like we did get someone. The Enterprise Core VN. Okay. So we got that. Cracking. We'll use John, I guess. So actually, I'm gonna update our little hack tricks thing. Not hack tricks, our thing here. So now we do heading to Kerberos. All right. Can we just do this? Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's nice. And we got this back. Okay. Now we're going to use user share password word lists. Sorry, passwords. Rock you. And yeah, just the hashes. .kerberos. Right, there we go. Okay, so we'll copy this as well. All right. That doesn't look like it solved it. I'm gonna use hashcat. It did? Okay. Let's copy that. This is why I really like hashcat. Okay, so cracking. Yeah, if we do John's show, it should do it, right? Yeah. All right. Cool. It did work. Okay. So now, oops. Okay, we've still got time left on the box. So now can we log in? Can we just use the Yeah, well let's confirm we can actually log in using EvilWinRM. Alright, so we're gonna do this, we're gonna change the username as well. The username was Enterprise Core VN. Okay, it worked. Good. Alright. I don't know why CrackMap Exec decided to do that, but alright, EvilWinRM now. EvilWinRM. Here we go. So we can just copy paste this, and we can do this one here. All right. So I guess, yeah, that honestly asking EC boxes, especially on TryHackMe, should not be requiring you to do a srep, then Kerberoasting. In my opinion. What did I do? Do we need to do the dash R? Do we need .local? I mean, it's not working anyway. Oh no, we're here. Okay, we're good. We're in. We didn't need these dash R. Alright, so if I do who am I? There we go. Alright, let's do the what are we doing here? This was a group effort for sure. Why aren't you working, G2? Come on. Alright.
We are in.
Ein KL2 is saying what everyone's thinking. Finally, I thought this was a Cyber Mentoring Monday. Okay, so let's go to the desktop. Alright. Type the user.txt file. Finally freaking get it. Yeah, I am the first person to admit that Active Directory is not my forte. And it's literally only because I just don't use it enough. Alright, so what's the sound? I have Tourette syndrome, Peter. So it's me. Okay, so we're on the box. Do we now just run Bloodhound? Maybe. Maybe we go to a new terminal. Go to that. Bloodhound Python. Maybe we just try it. No, you don't need to apologize. You're good. Most of my regular viewers only found out today as well, so it's not like it was a big secret. I mean, it was a big secret, I guess. And then this one work? Yeah, I don't know why it's doing this. Alright, hang on. Oh. Okay, hang on. We're not in command line. Is there a... a way to just run the command, right? Carries out the command /C, right? Yeah, it might be. What's this doing? Alright, we're not going to get an easy win. So... We could, I mean, yeah, I really want to figure out why Bloodhound Python isn't working. Let me... Bloodhound Python. That's not Bloodhound Python. Oh, no, it is. If you have your DNS set up properly in the AD domain is your DNS search. Okay, right. So yeah, this should work. I mean, I just don't know why it's not. Thank you, hackers, for the Prime sub. I'm just gonna... Why is this giving... So... Yeah, we're attacking the domain controller. Yeah, so I set the name server to my own thing. But yeah, we can just try running an ingester, so let's do Bloodhound. No, that's not how you do it. Bloodhound GitHub. Where's the collectors? Let's do the sharphound.exe. Copy link location. Alright, cd into var www. I'll just download it here, I guess. Oh, I do need that actually. There we go. Right, moved the sharphound to just the exe. And then we will set up a SMB server. Come on. Have I really not run Python SMB server on this? Maybe it's SMB server. There it is, alright. That might be why. SMB server. It's been so long since I've used this. SMB2 support probably needed. Kali and dot. Yeah, there we go. Alright, and then my IP address is this. This may not work. If this doesn't work, we'll just use the web server, but whatever. Can I run net view, I think. I mean, we just try a copy, I guess. Oh, I don't want to exit. Great, it exited. We can just try copying it. Okay, I need to run this through. I always get confused which way round those go. I think that's going to work. Probably not though. Otherwise, we'll just wget the freaking thing. Because we can use wget here, right? Oh, exit, yes. I want to exit. Go away, come on. This is so annoying. I officially hate this box. Alright. There is a wget. Oh my. I thought there was a wget on PowerShell. Am I just imagining is that there was a there's a wget like function in PowerShell? Or is that just PowerShell for Linux? I don't know. This box is making me insane. Dude. How would you even... PowerShell has to be the worst freaking shell in the entire universe for the fact that you cannot do -H. And now it's just not working. Alright, let's Google how to freaking invoke web request. Invoke web request. Alright, what do we got? We've got out file. Presumably there's a URL parameter. Yeah, URI, because why not? Alright, let's try this. Yeah, I'm just gonna freaking exit out of that. Go back in. Alright. Invoke web request. URI should be HTTP. And then what's the freaking file again? Sharphound.exe, that's the one. Out file. Sharphound.exe. And then maybe we can tail. Okay, look, it worked. Jesus. At least there's ls. Right? Okay, good. Okay. Now let's, before I even attempt to use sharphound.exe, I want to know the syntax because it's not going to be Bloodhound docs. I think we just do see all, right? So if we do sharphound.exe -c all, I think should work. I think that's promising because if I recall, Sharphound doesn't actually output anything. Oh no, it does. There we go. Good. Okay. Well, we're finally doing something. Okay, now the question is... The other thing is, how do I get this off? That's going to be the next thing. Can I move it to the... You can download it? Okay, that's good. Download, okay, nice. But which... Okay, so I might be in... Download... This shows me how much I know about WinRM, right? Is it going to download here? There it is. Okay, good. Yeah. Right, and these JSON objects were the ones from before. We can remove these. Okay, now the question. is my Bloodhound going to work? Alright. Neo4j. Right, I need to set the Java. Okay, yeah, update. Alternatives was... Come on. Update Java or something? No. Update Java alternatives. Right. Yeah, I tried log4j. All right. Set Java 11, I think. What? Is it just this one? Maybe it's this one. Okay, Java version. No, oh, my goodness. Oh Jesus, come on. Do I do? Okay, right. Hang on. What is going on here? Where are my Java friggin' JVMs going? It's not dash dash version. It's version capital. I know that. It should be anyway. When did it become dash dash version? It's always been dash ver. Weird. Apologies. For some reason, I thought it was always dash capital V. But I don't understand why. Are you fucking kidding me? Okay. Alright, that Neo4j work. Okay, right, good. So that works. And then we can use just Bloodhound, I think. I'm gonna... Right, it was just Bloodhound. Okay, we're in. Thank fuck. Alright, upload data. There it is. What's the one with? What's the language that uses dash version with a capital V? Oh, hang on. There is one. I know there is. Bloodhound. Okay. Database info analysis. Here we go. Find all domain admins. All right. So we are currently which user are we? We're Enterprise Core VN, and we have two owned users. And the other one was T-Skid. So T-Skid here. Mark user as owned. Shows path from owned principals. We can PS remote, we knew that. Shortest path. Okay. No. Shortest path to high value targets. Oh my goodness. Alright. We can PS remote into this. Hang on then, let's see. This user reachable high value targets is obviously the domain controller, but do we have any derivative local admin rights? We do not. Member of domain users. Oh, that's T-Skid. Wait a minute. Enterprise Core VN. Here we go. We might need this. Go. Alright, Enterprise Core VN. No, this is the guy, okay. Well, this isn't, this really isn't, showing us much, unfortunately. We knew we could PS remote. What should be something not related to the domain at all? Should we just run WinPs and see what happens? Did we see if I didn't actually see that? No. That might be why it's so easy. I don't know. Come on. I could probably turn off this stupid SMB server. Why is this not working now? I don't think we're going to have time for a freaking second box at this rate. Unless there's something really freaking easy. Oh my god, okay, I'm just gonna... Please tell me it's still up. Oh, are you freaking kidding me? No, it's not expired. Oh my god, I hate when it does that. Alright, while this is doing something, we'll do Stream Raiders. There we go. It's still connecting. I don't know why it's not connecting anymore, but there we go. Why? Alright, what do we get? 2 rewards, Compendium 66 and Christie, well done. We'll go here. No, this isn't a new box, curious. This is the box we've been connecting to this entire time. For some reason. It's now failing. Okay, I'm gonna nmap the thing. Yeah. Oh my god, it's actually crashed. Okay, we're gonna do another box. Even though it didn't. No, that was the system.txt flag. Okay, sorry about that, guys, but I'm not restarting the box a third time. It's just annoying me. Okay, let's do another search for some challenges. Easy difficulty. Let's not do a freaking Windows one. All right, hide completed. Basic Pentesting. Oh, by John Hammond. Sure, why not? Let's do this one. I think I need to kill the box now. Yeah, I figure because it's almost been 3 hours this stream already, so. Alright, apologies guys. I'm not entirely sure this was the way in. We weren't getting anything. So let's close all this crap. Alright, exit this. Exit all this. Yeah, we don't need that anymore. Okay. Alright, basic pen testing. Basic pen testing. I should just do boxes that have basic in the name instead of trying to be clever. Alright, top ports. We're just gonna do a top port nmap scan now. We're gonna turn scripts back on. We are gonna copy this address. We'll wait another minute just to make sure it actually does boot up, but it's Linux, so I presume it's gonna boot pretty fast. This is now, if you have noticed, become a Insult Microsoft stream. Let's ping the box and see if it's... Yeah, I mean it's up. Alright. Oh, look at that! Ports. Okay. So, deploy the machine, find the services. Alright. So, we got a web server. Undergoing maintenance. Check our dev notes section if you need to know what to work on. Okay. Oops. Well, there was also, I noticed port 8080, which is probably another HTTP server, maybe. Maybe not. Alright, we need to find a hidden directory. So we are going to go into TryHackMe Basic Pentesting. And I'm going to use GoBuster. We're going to use a word list, checklist, discovery, web apps, big.txt. We're going to use extensions, and to find the extensions, we are going to curl the web server. See what we have. We have Apache, so we're going to give it txt, HTML, and PHP. And we're going to give it 20 threads, and we're going to give it an output of I don't know, put a directory. Alright, so these files are not actually relevant. They're all 403s, which is forbidden. But this should go pretty quickly. Oh, change the box title? Yeah, good idea. Where are we? Subject. Basic Pentesting. Alright, so that's started. It's doing a service. No, it's completed the service scan. It's now doing the scripts. We haven't found anything else. Okay, let's see. Oh god, it's Windows. No, it's not. It's Ubuntu. Alright, what we got? We got SSH, that's fine. We have Apache. We got Samba, which is the Ubuntu version of SMB. 8009 doesn't look like it actually did anything. But maybe, yeah, it's web. 8080 is Apache Tomcat, apparently. Even though it didn't load. Why didn't it load? Maybe it hasn't actually booted yet. There we go. Alright, so there might be... Oh, put a unit down? Whoops. Thank you. Alright, so I mean, I assume maybe this is the manager bit. What am I doing? There we go. Enter name without... No, okay. So we're definitely going to keep scanning. Apache Tomcat, though. Default manager credentials. I always forget what they are. Yeah, here we go. Manager is one we could try. No. Admin. Admin password. Tomcat. No. Seems to be vulnerable to request smuggling. Really? What, the Apache version? The Tomcat version? That'd be interesting. Maybe we'll try that afterwards as a little bit of extra. Okay, what else we got? Haven't found anything yet. I wonder if it's okay, well, the hidden directory on the website. The thing is, it doesn't mention which web server. There's two. So I guess we could try. It's just, how many letters is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 letters. No, it's not going to be that. No, it's not going to be that. Yeah, it's not going to be that. Okay, so. Oh, geez. Timeout 6. Is this box actually crashing as well? Oh my goodness. What is with the network today? Is it TryHackMe? I'm just gonna quit and... Alright, that's working. Alright, okay. I'm just gonna... I'm gonna trust that this thing can handle 50 threads, because... I'm sorry, but if it can't... It's Apache, it should be able to, even with minimal stuff. Alright, apologies everyone. I'm just gonna take the hint. Yeah, alright. I'm sure it's supposed to be this. Let's check for robots.txt. There's no robots.txt. Okay. I wonder if it's maintenance or something. No, we'll just have to figure it out using this. What was the dev note? Yeah, but it's an 11. It's an 11 letter answer. And it says without the /. So I'm assuming it is actually 11 letters. Come on. We're just gonna have to wait. Any questions while we wait for GoBuster to finish? How's work? Work is good. Development, there we go. Maybe I should have maybe I should have realized that development was 11 letters. Alright. Let's see what the development thing. Dev.txt. I've been messing with that strut stuff and it's pretty cool. I think it might be neat to host on this server too. Okay, it's Apache struts. Oopsies. What's better, GoBuster or Derby GoBuster? Alright, so this might be an Apache struts vulnerability. I've been auditing the contents of Etsy Shadow to make sure we don't have any weak credentials, and I was able to crack your hash really easily. To know our password, please follow it. Change the password ASAP. Okay. Use brute forcing to find the username and password. Which username and password though? Probably SSH, to be honest. So let's open a new window. And it didn't say the names. It said there was a K and a J. But the username is 3 letters, so I'm gonna guess we can actually use potentially MSF console. There is a SSH user enum. Wish we could try. Why not? Search SSH. Enum users. Okay. Copy this. Set our hosts to this. Set threads to 10. Alright. I mean, we could just, I guess, let's try J. Screw it. I guess we should try with a username we probably know exists. Okay, right, so we can actually do this. So let's try, what was the other one? Joe. K. User K found. Alright, we found a user K. So K is not the user though. Okay. Maybe Jim? No? Anyone else want to guess a 3-letter username? Joy? Maybe, yeah. J. Trying to think of, oh, John spelled like that. I guess what we could actually do, let's go into sec lists. Well, the J was because in the note files they were signing off J and K. User share sec lists usernames. All right. We can probably. I just head this file. Okay, yeah. So what we'll do here is let's grep this file and only extract usernames of 3 letters. So we want a dot followed by, oh, sorry, 3 in this, and then we'll pipe that into WC to count the number of lines. That's probably too many. So why don't we do, make it case insensitive, a J followed by 2. That's it, better. All right. I'll just put it in temp j.txt, and we'll do K as well. Oops, I should probably have changed that already. Oh, should probably actually do the usernames. Alright, and now I'll do the right, okay, let's try that. Right, set unset username and set user file to temp/j.txt and run. Jan. Okay, we found user Jan. That was the correct answer. Alright, we can stop. What's the password? Alright, now we can use Hydra. So we can do Hydra dash lowercase alpha Jan dash P user share wordless password rock u SSH, and then we'll do the IP address. That's not the IP address. Why did it not copy the IP address? Copy. Come on. Copy. There we go. All right. The copy button's been working all day. Ironically, the only thing that was really working on the box. Alright. I mean, this is going to be SSH. Hopefully this password doesn't take too long to crack. Not crack, find. You want to guess, pass? Alright, we'll try it. It was not. Maybe it was password 1. Pass 1 2 3. No. Well, actually, we could technically have tried. Since we know it's 7 letters, we could have done the same trick. No, so the HD access files, if we go back here, these were all... Oh, hang on. Found server status, whatever. These were all 403s, which means forbidden, which means that... And you can see the size isn't really that big. So they're just going to be error pages, unfortunately. Alright, what have we got here? I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll cheat. Says there's a Hydra. Did it actually write one? Oh, it's not dot. All right, there we go. So what we'll do is we will use the grep thing again. And we know that it's going to be 7 characters, and we'll use it on rock you. That's a lot, but whatever. Temp/p.txt this time. Alright, and then we'll do... Alright, hopefully this should find it a little quicker. The only reason we're doing this is for time, but we knew the answer was 7 characters from here. Maybe up 3. Yeah, okay. Let's give it 50 threads. T50. There we go. Oh my goodness. Maybe this crashes the box as well. There we go. Armando. Alright, SSH. Jan. Armando. And we can paste Armando in here. Enumerate the machines. Okay, so we have a shell as Jan. Let's see if we can sudo anything. We have their password. They may not run sudo. Now, remember one of these files said... oh, it's this Jan, right, so able to crack a hash really easily. Alright, so that was why. Let's find some SUID files, maybe? Oh, the other user was K, right? Yeah. If you found another user, what can you do with this information? I guess, yeah, try and find their password, maybe? Oh, we got Vim. Okay, we have Vim as an SUID file, which means we can go to GTF opens. And we can type in Vim here. And we can say we can SUID. So we can just run. We can use. This requires that Vim's compile with Python support. I guess we can try this. It's Vim Basic, yeah, I guess, but which Vim? Maybe this will work. We don't know. Okay, so the command isn't actually hang on. Right, okay, so we can't use Vim. Which is annoying. So I guess that was there to just trick us. It doesn't like any of these are any good either. Let's look at the shadow file and see if it actually has any good permissions on it. It does not. We don't have anything in our home directory. Can we go into K's directory? Okay, we can go into K's and there's a pass.back file, which we cannot get to, but we can use Vim to get to this. Alright. Presumably that's what the Vim basic thing is for. Yeah, we can read. Alright, so even though we couldn't get a shell using Vim, because it still runs as the root user, because it's an SUID file, it means we can open any file on the system. And actually I should have just realized that. We could have actually done this. Yeah. Alright. Okay, we did the box. Any questions on that? I hope that was a a better box than the first one. Look, it only took us 27 minutes. Oh boy. Yeah, there was no I mean, there shouldn't be any molding on Cyber Mentoring Monday. I do apologize. I think we're gonna have to rule out freaking most Active Directory boxes in the future. I think Windows is fine. You can have easy Windows boxes. It's just that one should not have been easy. I mean, you saw how this one was easy. But anyway, all right. Let's we'll do stream raiders very quick before the end. Yeah, we'll do that. If there are any questions in chat, please let me know. Do you find Windows easier than Linux? No, I find Linux way easier. Linux has so many helpful tools, and it has a shell that actually works. See ya, Angel D. All right, we didn't win. All right. Yeah, in Linux everything is pretty much a file. All right, so I'm gonna pop the stream ending little thing up there. Please follow me on Twitter. Please join our Discord server. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you're watching me on Twitch, so please consider giving me a follow.